Welcome to our lesson where we're going to have a go at doing an angry monster character using a simple square shape. So I'm making a lot of this up as I go, and you're welcome to make up your own things as you go, or you can copy what I do. So the first thing we need to do is start off with the body, which we're going to use a square for that shape. So I'm going to do one line across like this. And then I'm trying to make all the sides fairly even. It doesn't matter if they're not exactly straight. Straight line down and then across like that. Now it does not matter if the lines are not perfectly straight. So I'll just do that again for you. We're going to do one line down. And the trick is sort of trying to make sure the lines look fairly even. So if you do a lot of drawing, you'll quickly get the hang of it. And there we go, and make sure and give them little points. Okay, so let's have a go at adding our face in for our scary monster, and we'll add some more details. So the first thing we want to do is add some angry eyes. So some simple cartoony angry eyes. We're going to do a line down like that. So draw that with me. And underneath that I'm going to do one curved line and another curved line. So I'll do that again for you. One curved line and then another curved line. Okay, so let's add some pupils in. And to make him look really angry, I'm going to add in a circle, and I might just add in one little circle inside for the shiny bit in the pupil, and then we can colour them in, or if you want to leave them for later you can come and add actual colour to them. And then for his nose, you could do a nose like this if you wanted to give him a bit of a pointy nose, but I'm going to give him more of an animal nose, so I'm going to do a couple of nostrils like that. I'm going to add some curved lines like this. Nose like that. So I'll do that again for you. We added a curved line like that and a curved line like that. And then a line around like that. Okay, so we need to give a mouth to our angry monster, and there's lots of ways we could do it. First of all, I'm certainly not going to give him a mouth like this. Even if I did scary teeth, he's not going to look that angry, is he? Sort of looks more evil, or like he's scheming. So let's do a mouth. It's going to be the opposite of that, opposite direction. We're going to do a line like this, which immediately does not look happy. Now on the end of that line for the mouth, we can add a couple of things. So just watch what I do and I'll show you some options. You could do some dimples, like that. Or we can do a straight line across like this and add some teeth, which I think works pretty well, so I might do that. So what I did was, I had one line across the bottom there, and then I added in his teeth, which are just pointy bits. And there's our face. Now you can add a little bit of a line underneath if you want a bit more detail. You can add some lines under the eyes if you want to make him look a bit more angry. Even some lines up here. Okay, so let's work our way down. So let's add some horns. So I'm going to do some curved horns. And I might even add some lines on the horns. Again, I'm drawing very lightly with my pencil. If I want to rub things out, it makes it easy to change things. Now let's go and we'll add some arms in. So I'm going to add one line, one line, one line, one line. Now you are welcome to add as many arms in as you want. I'm just going to add a couple. And I'm going to do some fingers like this. I'm just doing pointy fingers, which are very easy to draw. And you can add lots of stuff to them to sort of make them look interesting, all sorts of things. So we've added our hand in like this onto the end of our arms. Just like that. And we're going to add some legs. I'm going to give him some big legs. And then on the bottom of here, I'm going to do the same sort of toes like this. Again, it does not have to be perfect. Like that. Now at the moment he does look like a square with arms and legs, so we're going to change a few things in a second. We're going to rub out a bit of this body, and a bit of this body from the top of the arm just down, and we'll leave a little bit of a line there at the bottom. And we're going to do the same for the legs. Just leave a little bit of a line in the middle there. And it will make your character look all joined up. Now for some details, we can come along and add in some little lines on the end of the toes and the fingers like that, which will make him look like he's got claws. The other thing you can add if you want to is curve lines in the middle, which will make it look like he's got webbed fingers if you want to. But I might leave it for this guy, but you're welcome to do that, and you do the same with your feet. Okay, so the last thing I might add in is some wings. And I'm going to do bat wings. I'm going to show you how I do those. I'm going to draw a line like this and a line like that. I'm going to draw a line down like that and a line down like that. So you can see I'm just using lines to work out where I want things to go. And then I'm going to draw back to the body, just curve lines back towards where it joins the body, but I'm not going to connect it up with this bit because you want to make sure it looks like the wing is coming off the body. And then I'll do the same here. And then a little detail you can add is just some lines like that into the wings if you want to. And to finish him off, I might add in some scales. And to add scales, we just have to do some U shapes like this. You don't have to add them to the whole body unless you really want to. We can just add them here or there. And when people look at your character, if you do enough of them like this, people will imagine for you that he's covered in scales. You don't have to draw it all. Okay, so there's our scary monster. I hope you came up with one as scary if you made your own up. Make sure and share your drawings with those around you that they can enjoy your drawings. And please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Easy Cartoon Drawing School, for more free lessons to be notified when they're up. And there's one-on-one lessons online available. And also we have a Facebook group where you can come and post your pictures and get feedback and do all other sorts of fun things in that group, learning about cartooning. And I hope you had lots of fun doing this monster based on a square shape.